goal of this project was to take a swing set play center thing that we got for my daughter when she was pretty young, but now she's a little too old for it and wanted some more of a challenge. So here's some pictures of what the old one looked like. A couple different sides. Now, over a course of a couple weekends, as you can see, I took out the stairs, added a board, and then I added a rope up there to climb up. Then we took the slide down. I added on a couple extra 4x4 posts and got some monkey bars. I can put a link in the description on where I got those. And then some extra little pieces I built to make it kind of inspired by the American Ninja Warrior thing, because she likes that show. Little things to stand on and balance on. A really simple 2x4 balance beam. And then this teeter-totter balance beam. This one's a little bit hard for her at this point, but hopefully soon she'll pick that up and can master that one too. And on this wall, we had a couple extra wall climbing holds. So I just put a board up there, attached into that. Then I had some scrap wood, and I put this plywood base down here that already had this lip on it. So that's where the feet would go. And the idea is you can't be within the white lines. Climb across and get to this side. And then we figured you could jump through the swing, run around the tree, and come back. And then time yourself and see if you can prove your time. Hopefully this gives you some ideas of what you can do to turn your older play center into something a little more challenging for your kids.